Filipino is not love because already break up to me because you have daughter, you have husband Philippine after.
Oh, really? And what about your countrymen? When they work abroad, they love fishing. And the fish that they love is Filipini. Because the Filipino woman, they are very good smell, having a good hygiene, loving person. But at the end, who's suffering? The Filipino woman. Because when you go back home, you have your arranged marriage. Because you don't have your own decision in life. Your parents will be the one to decide for you. You just leave the Filipino woman like a rubbish. Which she loves you a lot. So please don't mock the Filipino woman, okay? Because if I will compare the Filipino woman to your women in Pakistan, our women in Philippines, they know how to stand by their own feet without the help of the men. That means that they are very independent. They know how to survive. They can stand by their own feet. I'm not mocking any woman, sir. I'm just telling the truth. So you better shut up, okay? Pag hilom dira dong, ipabarang taka.